Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up LODs in Unity. First of all, we need to export all models in one MBX file and then import it in Unity. Now, let's apply material for all LODs. As you can see from the information about amount of triangles, LODs are very important when you create heavy models. All what we need to do is to set up when each model should work depends on camera distance. Just play with the settings and choose the best option for your situation. For example, is this main object or the background? After this, you need to save prefab and then you can drag and drop it in your scene. When you modify main prefab, all prefabs in your game will be automatically updated.